When it comes to precious metals, you might have heard the word premium thrown around. But what does it actually mean? Premium is the amount you pay above the spot price to buy a physical piece of metal, like a gold bar or a silver coin. Different products have different premiums. Jewelry or collectibles may have higher premium costs due to the workmanship involved, while things like bullion bars and coins have less. So why is there premium at all? Premium covers the cost of turning the raw metal into the bar or coin in your hand. Costs like mining, manufacturing, shipping, and not to forget all the security along the way. Generally speaking, the bigger the bar, the lower the premium. That's because the fixed costs make up a smaller slice of the total. Let's take a 1-gram bar for example. The gold inside might be worth $100, and the production costs add another $10. That's a 10% premium. Now, compare that to a 100-gram gold bar at $10,000. If the production costs are $100, the premium works out to just 1%, even though the dollar cost is higher. So, which should you buy? Smaller bars offer flexibility, easier liquidity, lower upfront costs, and they make great gifts. While larger bars are great for their lower premiums, lower cost per gram, and better long-term value. There's no one-size-fits-all. That's why at Bullion Star, we carry a wide range of products, so you'll be able to find something that fits you. Whatever you choose, the important thing is that it's real metal, legally owned, and held by you. And that's really the whole point, isn't it? If you want a balance of low premiums and low starting costs, be sure to check out the Bullion Star Bullion Savings Program today.